Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and enjoying your vacations. Dear students, today we are going to learn primary mathematics of grade 1, second edition. We will learn chapter number 9, lesson number 1, which is about length. What is a length? A length is a measurement of an object or anything from end to end is called length. एक सिरे से दूसरे सिरे तक किसी भी चीज की पैमाइश को उसकी लंबाई कहते हैं. Okay dear students, you can see here there is a picture. You can also see that there are 3 blocks or buildings of different colors like red, blue and orange. Can you please tell me which block is the tallest? Yes, blue block is the tallest among all. Comparing objects. Dear students, in math, to compare means to examine the differences between numbers, quantities or values to decide. In focus. How can we compare the blocks? How can we compare the blocks? Let's see here. How can we compare the blocks? You can see here there are 3 blocks of different colors like red, blue and orange, and we have to compare these blocks according to their length. As you can see here, the blue block is tall and it is taller than the red block. Then you can also see here the orange block is short and it is shorter than the red block. It means that the blue block is the tallest and the orange block is the shortest. Let's move to the next page. Let's learn. Number 1. The blue block is tall. It is taller than the red block, as we have read about it earlier. The orange block is short. It is shorter than the red block. The blue block is the tallest and the orange block is the shortest. We only use tallest or shortest when comparing 3 or more objects. Remember that we only use tallest or shortest when comparing 3 or more objects. We can arrange the blocks from tallest to shortest. From tallest to shortest. Blue block is tall and it is taller than the red block, and the red block is taller than the orange block, and we have arranged them from tallest to shortest. Dear students, I have an activity for you. You can see here these are blocks having different colors like orange, blue, purple, and we have to compare these blocks according to their length. Okay, let's start. You can see here the blue block is tall and it is taller than the orange block. The purple block is short and it is shorter than the orange block. And we can see here that the blue block is the tallest and the purple block is the shortest. Number 2. Dear students, here you can see that there are different types of vehicles like a lorry, a bus, a car and a bicycle, and we have to find the shorter and the longer among all these vehicles according to their lengths. Compare from the same starting line. As you can see there, the starting line of these vehicles is same. So let's start comparing. The bus is long. It is longer than the car. The bus is long and it is longer than the car. The bus is as long as the lorry The bus is as long as the lorry because they both have the same length. The bicycle is short. The bicycle is short and it is shorter than the car. It is shorter than the car. Let's move to the next page. Practice. Look for objects around the classroom. Compare using taller, longer or shorter. Before starting practice, we have another question. When do you use taller or longer to describe an object? Dear students, when we have to find the length of a horizontal object, we will use the term long or longer. And when we have to find the length of a vertical object, we will use the term tall or taller. Let's start practice. A. The teacher's table is dash than my table. The teacher's table is longer than my table. B. My chair is dash than my table. My chair is taller than my table. C. My ruler is dash than my eraser. My ruler is longer than my eraser. D. I am dash than my teacher. I am shorter than my teacher. E. My pen is dash than my pencil. My pen is longer than my pencil. That's all, dear students. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. Allah Hafiz.